Hi creative, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. If you're new to this channel, you are welcomed. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. On this channel, I post new videos every week. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to read a measurement tape. Knowing how to read a measurement tape is very important in order to take accurate measurement. Reading a tape measure is quite easy. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching. This part of the tape where the numbers are big is in inches, while this other part of the tape, the back of the tape, is in centimeters. This part is in inches, while this part is in centimeters. But today we are going to learn how to read tape in inches. So 1 inch, one inch has 8 lines. Inside 1 inch we have 8 lines. We have the first line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's look at it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So each of this line is divided into 8. This first line is 1/8, the second line is 2/8, the third line is 3/8, the fourth line is 4/8, the fifth line is 5/8, the sixth line is 6/8, the seventh line is 7/8, and the eighth line is 8/8. So now let's do the calculation. This first line is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. So 1/8 is in fraction. We have to divide it. 1/8, if you divide it, you'll get 0.125. So this first line that we see on our tape is 0.125. I hope you understand. This first line here is 0.125. This beginning place is 0. Why this place is 0.125? Then the second line is 2/8. 2/8 is equal to 2 can go into 2, right? Is 1. 2 can go into 8 is 4. So we have 1/4. 1/4 is equal to 0.25. So this second line in our tape, we call it 1/4, which is this 1/4, or you call it 0.25 in decimal. 1/4 or 0.25, the second line. So the third line that we have there is 3/8. 3 divided by 8, 3 cannot go into 8, so what we'll have is 0.375. So this third line here is 0.375. 0.375. The next line we have is 4/8. 4 can go into 4 and 4 can go into 8. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 8 rather, is 2. So we have 1/2. And 1/2, you know, normal is half. 1/2 is half. So this line here, this middle line here, is half. That's 0.5 or half. 0.5, that is half. 1/2 or 0.5. The next line we have here is 5/8. 5 cannot go into 8, so the 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. So this line here, the fifth line we have is 0.625. 0.625. This the fifth line. After half, you have 0.625. The next line we have is 6/8. 6/8. 2 can divide 6 and we have 3. 2 can also divide 4. We have 8, rather we have 4. So 2 into 6 is 3. 2 into 8 is 4. We have 3/4. 3/4. This line here is also known as 3/4 or 0.75. 3/4 or 0.75. When you divide 3/4, you get 0.75. I hope you understand. Then the next line we have here is 7/8. 7/8. 7 divided by 8. 7 into 7 is 7 cannot divide 8, rather. So we have 0.875. 0.875 is this line. The last line is this 1 inch is 8/8. 8 into 8 is 1. That's where you have your 1 inch. Sorry, that's when you have your 1 inch. I hope you understand. Let me go over it again. This first line is 0.125. The second line is 0.25. This third line is 0.375. While this fourth line is half an inch or 0.5. This one, the fifth line, is 0.625. The sixth line is 0.75 or 3/4. That's 3/4. The seventh line is 0.875. And this one is 1 inch. So like I said, we have 8 lines, and these 8 lines, I have been able to explain what each of them means. Let's look at this. Like we have a measurement, like we measured on the body, and what we have is 8.25. 8.25. Look at this, is 8. 8.25. 25. This is 25. That is 8/1/4. This is where 8/1/4 is. I hope you understand. Let's say you measured again and you have 20.5. 20.5. This is 20. You go over to where 20 is, and this is 0.5. That's half. 20.5. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. See you in my next one. Bye.